Operation Theatre Disinfection Fumigation, presented by SV Arvind Eye Hospital, Tirupati. Learning objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to understand the purpose of disinfection, the materials required for disinfection, the disinfection procedure, fumigation procedure. Purpose of disinfection: to avoid or prevent contamination of sterilized materials, to eliminate pathogenic microbes, especially from floor, AC, OT air, and surface of the all equipment, to prevent infections due to contamination, to prevent cross infections. Operation Theatre Disinfection. Materials required are a clean cloth, antiseptic agent like Microl F, benzalkonium chloride, Lysol, floor wipe stick, easy mop 2 types, blue for wiping and green for swabbing, 3 buckets, root machine, fumigation machine and measuring cup. Cleaning procedure intervals. Cleaning in between the surgeries, daily cleaning, weekly cleaning and monthly cleaning. This is the picture of the OT during in between cleaning procedures. Daily cleaning. Microscope. Surface except optics is cleaned with a clean cotton cloth made wet with in or RO water. Optics were cleaned using lens cleaning solution. The phaco machine was cleaned using a cotton cloth made wet within the RO water. Operating tables, trolleys, surgeon's chair, footstool, and the wall are cleaned. First, it is cleaned with RO water, and second with Microl F or Lysol and water mixture. Weekly cleaning. The weekly cleaning is done on every Saturday. Fan and lights are wiped with Microl F or Lysol. The ceiling is cleaned with water and then with the cloth soaked in Microl F or Lysol. Clean the floor, wall, and furniture twice with water and Lysol. Removing the cobwebs in all the areas of theatre, wipe the AC and remove the AC filter and wash in RO water and leave it to dry. Done by the AC mechanic. Remove stains on the floor with scrubbing machine using root machine. On monthly cleaning, we remove all the furniture and equipment from the operating room and do vacuum cleaning wherever necessary. Scrub the floor with wooden brush, especially the nook and corners of the theatre. All the procedures, that is the daily, weekly and monthly, are documented in a separate register. This is the picture of the register showing the record for the weekly cleaning register. Fumigation in OT. Fumigation is done daily after cleaning the OT. Add 50 ml of formalin, that is 37%, and 250 ml of reverse osmosis water into the fumigator. Add 100 ml of Envodil, 20%, and 400 ml RO water into the fumigator. Place it in the machine and switch it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep the operating room closed for 8 to 12 hours. Formalin, when handled for long time, has carcinogenic effect, so wear masks and gloves, avoid inhaling the fumes. Role of MLOP in OT disinfection. Fumigation should be done daily after the OT work. To check the availability of the things required for cleaning and fumigation, to mix the disinfectant and water in right proportion, to clean the OT equipment using right supplies, right procedure and right interval. After cleaning, OT rearrange equipment and furniture properly. With all these efforts, MLOPs can provide an infection-free environment and improve quality of surgical outcome. This is the equipment needed for OT cleaning. First, the OT floor is swept with a blue swab in a zigzag manner. 50 ml of Lysol is mixed into 5 liters of water and is used to clean the cots, the footstool and the walls. 100 ml of Microl is mixed into 10 liters of water to clean the floor. 100 ml of Enodil is taken in 400 ml of water and is kept for fumigation in the OT and is then discarded after use. Thank you.